Now we're gonna move and copy some objects. Let's first go on my custom model view for the furniture, just so it allows me to zoom in. There are so many ways and options to do it. With whatever you're comfortable with, feel free and do it. It's just a practice. I have to show you any method that might be easier. So let's go ahead and use the noun verb method of selection as I explained in the previous video. So first let's go ahead and say that we want to move this desk and chair to this room, to this reception room, for example. So I selected the office, or the office, and I'll select the chair. After selecting my objects, I will move them. So I'll on the home tab in the ribbon, I'll choose in modify tab, choose move command. So it's asking me to specify the base point. The base point is the point where you move from. Let's go ahead and choose this one, for example. Easily I will move it and click and then drag and then press again on the left click, and it moved it. There is another easy way, so I'll undo. There it is. I'll zoom a little bit. For example, let's just do the lasso tool, for example. So I clicked and dragged and then I released. Both of these objects are selected. I'll right click and choose my command, which is move. I'll choose that base point and click and drag it. After moving the desk and the chair, let's go ahead and make a copy of these and put it right here. Let's consider this as a office. We need desk and chair. So I'll go ahead and click, select these objects that I want to copy, and right click, copy selection, or I can choose it from here, but this one is easier. You can choose whatever method you're comfortable with. It's copy selection. Don't ever think it's the clipboard, it's the copy on the clipboard, it's something else. It's totally something else. So it's copy selection, and it's this symbol, and just to remember it in the future, it's easier. Copy selection. It asked me to specify a point so I can start from it. So let's go ahead and pick this point. With my polar tracking on, it lines up very nicely. I'll go ahead and put it right here, just so it's in the boundary of that room. The copy selection still goes on, so I can click here, and make a copy, make many numbers of copies, as much as I want, but it's from that base point. I'll go ahead and escape, press undo a couple times. That's not what I wanted. Let's go ahead and do that again. I just wanted to delete these two copies, but that's okay. Okay, with my copy selection, I'll go ahead and place it right here, press escape. I'm not happy with the result. I should move this chair a little bit closer with the move command. Okay, that's good. And maybe put his back closer to that wall. Okay, that's good. I think I'm happy with the results. You should always save your work as you move going.